Dear students, it is the seventh video about communication skills week 5th. In the previous short videos, we had covered the concept of basic communication barrier, their causes and few solutions. In this video, we are going to cover some public speaking skills which have already been discussed in detail, that some public speaking skills which are very important against these communication barriers. Clear? Mean that public speaking skills are dealing the people and solving their matters. Fine. Public speaking skills are valuable both in your personal life and in your career. Even if you don't regularly engage in public speaking, developing skills in the area will increase your confidence and reduce anxiety about the situation in which you may be called upon to the public. I mean, it's a tool that will help you to communicate yourself to the people. The very common communication barrier in the public speaking is social anxiety disorder. Social anxiety disorder means that socially it is becoming impaired, to become less confident, to feel pessimist. That is called social anxiety disorder. And to overcome this issue, the public speakers and the person should have this remedy, especially when you are appearing at the stage appearance. The good public speakers appear confident. They remain confident, and the confidence can only be gained by research, by analyzing your material properly. Fine. Friendly, that you must be friendly and promising. Enthusiastic, meaning you should be warmed, you should be hopeful. Energetic, clear, full show, full of energy. You should not be showing like an inactive person, less interested. Be confident, and friendliness can destroy your public speaking skill. Fine. Next thing is voice control. Voice control is very important. All the presenters, actors, narrators, voiceover people, speakers, lawyers, they actually gain their money, they gain their livelihood by voice. Voice is really one of the biggest tool. Fine. In voice controlling, you must keep these things here because they become your permanent, they become a very ineffective barriers. Tone means quality, that you must be clear. Pitch, level, rise and fall of your voice. Volume of your voice mean the force of your voice. Some people even cannot communicate properly, and that become physical barrier or barrier for them because their tone, pitch and volume of their voice never match to their personality, and people voice creates an impact. Body language. Consider your body language to convey the message. Practice standing with relaxed upright postures. Means practice standing with relaxed and upright postures in presentations. Place your hands at the sides or clasped in front of you unless you are making a gesture to emphasize a point. Mean different approaches. People put hands on their sides, sometimes people hands on their faces, and some hand in their armpit. But whatever the style you apply, that must boast of your confidence. Become aware of the facial expressions, that your facial expression should not be so hard and unpleasant. Delivery of your sounds, message, to communicate your message. Fine. These points should be considered. Speak slowly and deliberately. Speak slow and deliberate mean forcefully so that the people may understand. pause between ideas. Mean all the sentences basically are concepts, they are ideas. So give pause to the ideas so that the other may understand you. Carefully articulate and pronounce your words. Whatever the word you are speaking, that should be quite carefully articulated and pronounced and communicated to the other persons, so that make a sense. For example, when you read a drama, it is different, but when the people are performing dramas, they are different. Actor is different. Vary the pitch and volume of your voice to add interest. Of course, storytelling, the people doing acting, they have to vary the pitch of the sound and volume, rise and fall, show off your emotions. Audience relations. Good public speakers are in with their good relation with the audience. These are the points. Acknowledge your audience right away. Before you start your discussion, you must acknowledge your audience. Make eye contact and watch communication from the audience. Means do not throw a crammed topic and data. Just get an eye contact, become attached with them, share smiles, nod heads, clear, and they make you live, trance, and connected. Fine. And here it is that a public speaking is a skill and that is an art, and that is hindered by communication barrier. They may be perceptual, they may be physiological, they may be psychological, but whatever they are, they need to be addressed. Now a few minutes to the assignment. Write a report on the communication barriers among the students of the computer sciences in your university. Mean at your university, at your working place, for example in BIT, find out that what are the common physical, physiological, physical, psychological, social, status, organizational barriers you feel. Clear? Try to include your own observation and experiences in the class, within the university management also. Clear? And suggest some solutions in light of your observations and in the light of your suggestions. One, this is actually a report and you have already learned the report writing methodologies. First of all, you make a hypothesis, mean you have observed the people and find out that, mean on the basis of observation, develop a hypothesis that these barriers are due to this. Once you have made your hypothesis, then students collect information. Fine. Outline that all report, make the outline that, and after the outlining, start introductions. And remember this, that it is much better if you could give the data and add the reference from the different research papers and discussions, or references from doctors and engineers, or experts of the from the communication experts. Hope you all have understood this very important topic. Well, although I tried to be very concise in these videos, yet rest of the discussion and material is here, and you also should read good books shared to you for your understanding. They are also available with the university LMS or on the personal say YouTube channels. Clear? Fine. Thank you very much.